Sales forecast. Sales forecast. Sales forecast. Sales territory. Sales territory. Sales territory. Sales script. Sales script. Sales script. Sales objection. Sales objection. Sales objection. Account executive. Account executive. Account executive. Sales forecast. For example, the sales forecast helps us plan our resources for the next quarter. Sales territory. For example, each sales representative is assigned a specific sales territory. Sales script. For example, sales scripts can help ensure a consistent sales approach. Sales objection. For example, handling sales objections is a crucial skill for sales representatives. Account executive. For example, the account executive is responsible for managing key accounts.